Yeah, it gets some things when they important. You know, get as your hypocrisy one high reach, you must see agree to this particular thing they important. You don't understand. I don't know if God will get that code. It dey important. Well, like it just did.
It dey important.
It dey important. But legit the code, but she dey pretend say she don't know.
I don't pretend. I know. What
You
you're
sure?
talking about.
You sure?
I
Any the legit fan now.
I do.
But seriously, you don't miss me. You know, I want to talk on here because they ask you just like they phone for me. Say if I miss, thought you don't miss me.
No, this man with
I miss you
This
small.
this man where they are face self go tell you say she
You miss me. You miss me,
I
Abi.
miss you small.
You miss me. Now just talk and say you miss me now small gen. Understand? Yeah. God do that fella.
I dey, her body.
My
My
brother.
brother, the candy expert.
Candy waiting.
You know, see am for your body.
Okay.
No, my t-shirt and I can't do.
Candy. Candy
expert,
shopper.
you
My
understand.
office
Let me
girlfriend.
take it to the candy.
My
Sure.
office girlfriend don't even ask me
I like
for
the
downstairs
only
one.
whether am I taking her out today.
Fuck.
My office girlfriend, I see her they go out. She can't see me.
See you,
So I come to you. You look so fine.
Fine,
Your shoes and your top. Are you taking me out today? I say, Mama, I'll just go and come back. I'm waiting for you. You know my office girlfriend now.
Yeah, nah, Madam Amira.
Madam Amira now.
That will not be girlfriend. Okay, for you.
No,
she
that
my
girlfriend, though, she's still young.
No, for me, no, those one are
Go be your sugar mommy.
Sugar mommy.
No,
And then they
man.
look for that, but I don't need to get more money because the way I want to buy Range Rover.
No.
The also not fun.
What if you get babe like that kind of babe? You don't need to spend for that. I ain't go spend for you.
Nah, the two I said that one
Nah,
buy Range Rover.
where will my Range Rover from?
Yeah, one when you go buy Range Rover, give me. I'll come drive and you say I don't be don't cost. I say I know the cost for you for this one. Anyway, we don't bust it. Across the bridge, money runs crew and workshop crew. Now sharp Godwin. You know, I want to start from we hospital first of our head setup because this is not the second time they get bad experience. The first time 2020 last 2 years when my daughter got carried and go hospital. First of all, thanks to Loot because now they come to my aid from General Hospital for Ikorodu. They refer me to Lasuth. That one they tell me say not get license.
That one I like the 2 years ago.
That 2 years ago, last night they call refer me to Loot. I thank God to that children. That's what did they call that children session? The name after.
Children
First lady. I think first lady. Stella. I think
Stella Obasanjo.
I think it's Obasanjo. Thanks to them. But this last weekend experience, God, we are not gonna lie, give you. See, I don't tell myself, say, if I not feel come up for this country, but you see my children and my wife, I don't know I want to do. I don't know the soap where I want to bath. I don't know the sport where I want to bath, but they must come on the country. If not only just to get better normal amenities, if they got common. Like normally, I know the thing, even though I did joke before, I don't mean now. But now, I over mean now. You know what they talk to? You know my state where they come on here on Thursday. I did hospital all through to Friday. So on Friday, they can't tell me, say, may I go do scan. Because the pain don't too much. I can't go do scan. My results show. Okay. Contact HMO see the knock about. Me no want to because person want I want because the way. That's what God refer me to anywhere. Night don't register. I say they not refer me. Say on Saturday make I go. Then they refer me go General Hospital. Only I come up from all the way Ajia. Drive, drive. Because my wife drive. After I know she don't fear because her never too strong for lucky if it's when I take over driving. I can't drive reach there. Only for me to hope say maybe because they say that I must see physician there because I do all the expert doctors they do. Only for me to reach the session. I meet 2 old women there. I submit my referring letter and everything. Whom are you look at? Oga, doctor not there on ground. You don't see any doctor today. That was on Saturday. The only time if you see doctor, Monday. And if you want to see on Monday, you need to come see CM. I look myself, the pain when I did be like say I want, but you get like it was close to that. I said, Madam, you mean say no doctor? You say no doctor. Where I can't even shock. My case is serious. So you get one guy when come with, I don't know what happened to your eye. Like the guy was crying. Then she tell the guy this. So I come there and say, so if this guy already die now, that means he go die now because if he not get money to access other
They say doctor no dey.
And then who sit down and say if you want come see CM17 or else that means queue go down high. You not go even meet doctor. Immediately now, I thank God to Dr. Oji. Don't say like now I call on God. I don't know where he wants to send me to right now. Refer me, just direct me to any hospital. Certainly not government owned, whether not federal or state. I don't want here. Just direct me. Now you can't call one of your friends for Aja. See, West na health. Na person when
so,
get
so,
money.
so you can't go back to Aja again.
I can't go back to. I can't see manage drive. You know, see as I just reach there. Big shout out to Dr. Sam. Where's your scan result? Oh wow. Oh, you have 3 problems. 1, 2. Just chat name man. This serious. Thank God though. I dey try explain. Say no need for explain. Let me first of all treat you because if it was more than this, with after today for the year different story. Now they knock me for sick bill. It drip, quick. You know that pain where they get it be like magic. You know what they say the hip, just on hip person. If you I can't expect they go put me for sick bill. Already I know the calculator. That means a night 40k. So after like 5 hours of treatment, the doctor tell me, say, bro, you gotta go back home. You dey from house. They come. You get me. But the money when I actually pay for that whole treatment, I'm not saying it was much. But I go realize what about those who don't feel afford or don't get that money? When I ask myself, what if I don't even get that money to pay that day? That means I for say make I go house, can't go they call up and down, they try raise 1 or 2 this thing. So see, God, I don't know.
No healthcare.
We are meant to die in this country. No, not to die.
No healthcare for the masses for this country now. If you want get healthcare, na private.
Na private.
And it's not cheap, bro.
No, when my mama do brain surgeries some years about 4 years ago, how much? Not 3 million now.
You can imagine.
A private hospital now. Thank God say my papa.
And there will be the everybody they think before say HMO they do good.
No, you don't live down. Now type of a manager HM. And they tell those doctors last time they drank.
Becca. It gets first of all it depends on the HMO. Because I remember one year, I think that 2012. For reasons why I not just understand, I just sick. My temperature just did very, very high. High, extremely high. So the former HMO when we been there on top, get one very good hospital where they use. As they rush me go there now, they run tests, as in get what they call blood work. Say if anything they wrong with you from that test of blood work,
they go know everything.
And that test they take like 1 hour. So they go carry your blood, but you go wait for 1 hour for the result to come out. As in very, very good hospital. That one, I feel that.
When you sick, not be minor
anything.
When the company did blood, what did they say they do?
They don't see anything.
Now high fever, malaria, typhoid. That one everyday treatment.
No be give me first of all, they did this thing happen to me second time. Second place where we go on top this HMO where we did. They say they no, just pack drug, give me, just go and take.
See the just see the kind treatment where R&B need. Where HMO no cover, I want to talk about.
How will they turn up all those
about this thing? I they talk about say get HMO where they good, get HMO where no make sense.
And I don't want to even focus on them. Now the fact say even general
right from time,
focus on the common man now. You know even day.
No, but I tell you about my guest man where
wife.
Jam in wife now. The head can't open. The first 3 times for one clinic where they their emergency care. Can't say in to go do scan. But how many days in the refinery go do scan? The refinery and go loot. Loot say they no fit do anything. Say the loot come the refinery and go where you go get scan private. Yes, now when they can go private, go do scan everything. Eventually, when they say the treatment, how much they tell her 2 different private hospitals they refer to. One say na 780,000. The other one say na 1.2 million. Meanwhile, government hospital no fit do am. Now government hospital for Jos. Now they can't say me they carry and come Jos. They can't get to carry her
from Lagos to Jos.
Yes, now she get to go Jos because that from Jos she come from. When she got this Jos, finally the government hospital go admit her say they go treat her, but she no survive.
Because look at
because of all the stress that she don't go through for Lagos and all those things.
I want just ask one question.
You know, so now the thing be that government hospital
all
forget
the billions of naira when they always put for our budget every year by year for the health sector. What did they use them for? Because now you get investigation when portion people carry out inside lawsuit where they focus on I think the bonds department, the severe bond. I think people when they get fire bond.
Maybe gas from
they not get light. Water no they got to their person who they need to go fetch water for the next place carry and come. Imagine person one sleep for night, no light. Person when get born.
So they say like that. My sister-in-law na medical doctor, and she get one time where she talk say for the hospital for inside theater. Say their phone light. They use to do surgery. Phone light.
See, I might tell you, for this country where we do so. Before you find out where before you find out where the budget for Ministry of Health they go. First of all, by the time they pay salary finish, how much remain? Every ministry for this country, na salary will they pay, including government. Governors will collect money, pay salary, spend the rest where they like. So when you give Ministry of Health budget, that budget for that year, and for that they pay salaries.
And the budget,
all the doctors say government hospital go collect salaries. All the nurses, all the whatever lab technician, everybody, all of them salary then on top that particular budget because they go tell you say government hospital na little or nothing you dey pay. So how much money they even generate to dey pay salaries? So by the time they tell you say they don't pay salaries, they don't do the current expenditure, na small change go remain. The small change na the person wey dey on top never embezzle the way one embezzle na to come go make hospital better. That is why you go find out say they go tell you say no doctor. Don't be say doctor no dey. Those doctors get their private practice.
Hospital, yeah.
So they go refer you. That is, you know shock you say doctor no dey government hospital but somebody.
But it's private hospital.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You thought I won't come my teeth. This was like the year 2000. I go government hospital, then tell me say that 3 days time I come. Now space go day. Yes, say space go day. After I see the, I never even I see the university that I come Lagos. Then tell me say that in 3 days time space go day. When I see one guy who just come out so they don't do his own, the way his face be, the pain where the guy they go through. When I reach an answer, I know if you go through that thing for doctor. Now my popsy can call somebody can refer me to a private hospital. Now, this private dental clinic. Now if na for a regular day on night day, now there I go. You know this how many hours the man do and finish. When he do and finish, I come out there. Till today, when people go tell you say if you go remove teeth, pain go. I know they believe because one pain. I know if you, and that, you know that I don't think they call and that big one where they did the back.
They did the back, yeah.
That one
they come out.
So
but the guy
last.
do one private eventually. I get the treatment one I need, but everything I see private.
At the time, I really clearly see the reason why we government officials they really travel go UK, go because certainly they know the state when they leave our head set up.
Exactly.
So you know expect say they know say oh we actually team money to make this head set up better. More go the set. They know they try and make they always fly out because they know say it's dead straight.
See
You
two
want
examples.
one now.
Sorry, see two examples. Number one, the president's wife. Now saying honorary Panadol no dey for Asoro clinic.
Can you just imagine?
That one,
I
one.
don't want to believe.
Second,
that.
no, but she come out, come talk. No, if she doesn't,
The hope and I don't know the answer. Oh,
you know that if the Asoro clinic is good, why the president they go outside?
na special treatment.
Very special.
Secondly, I remember when one time I did Dubai. I tell you now, say for I meet one man. I did for reception. See one man we come down, very nice looking man. So naturally, our face just down. I just say good morning, sir. Come me say you look like a Nigerian. I say yes, sir. Okay. I can say I come for holiday. Say is this your wife? I say yes. So come introduce. Come introduce himself. Say he don't did there for like a month now. No, about 2 weeks. So but he won't go. He just they check out for the hotel. Me I they check in. You know, the man can't give me. He can't say okay, make I give him my card. Can't ask me what I do for Nigeria. I can't tell him my job and try to work for radio. He can't collect my card, so we go talk. Eventually, I find out say that man. He can't tell me saying they always come for treatment once every 3 months.
For Dubai.
For 2 weeks, yes. So the treatment when they come for, now he get terminal illness. So the treatment now only here if he get that kind of treatment. And so every 3 months, he need to come every 3 months. He's been doing that for over 2 years for him to survive. He and his wife now ain't come. The man a former commissioner for Niger State. You understand? So now, when the man don't go finish, now I can ask myself, so number one, na former commissioner for a state for Nigeria. Number two, they come every 3 months, come collect this treatment for 2 weeks. Now this man no dey fly normal class like me. Now business class him and his wife.
Yeah.
That room where I can't ask the reception which room the man go want. The room where the man na the highest standard of the room for that hotel. He go there for 2 weeks, he and his wife. He go come take hospital for Dubai, and then he go fly business class, come calculate the price every 3 months. That can say, this man, when he be commissioner, he convince him governor or whatever, they do better clinic.
Yeah.
For him, even local government where in day, he go they come here. They no send. Now the problem is that our leaders no really care. As long as the point is gather the money, keep. When you know where go abroad, go take and treat yourself.
I think now why they do it.
I
Yes.
something that I did very particular about children. Maybe I like children a lot, and when they hear they say the death rate of babies, women when they give birth, but especially for Nigeria,
what do they call now?
Mortality rate.
Yeah,
Is
mortality
very
rate.
high. I know one of my she did Joshua, Auntie Rennie. She be this she they do weddings. If you want to do a reception, first we go decorate your hall.
Event planner.
She don't now imagine somebody who don't wait for like 5-6 years to carry belle. Carry belle na twins. So unfortunately one die for inside, but the other one still there alive. Whether na mistake, na the nurse can't use the placenta. I don't know how she take do am, but she can't block the face of the baby where they are alive. Now so she lose the 2 babies. This thing happen for my crocodile eyes. I'm very, very well.
I want your
so I wonder, say, waiting they go on with for inside Nigeria. So now to born pikin now, you go down the budget, say make you go born them for abroad.
Godwin, Lady J, I don't talk about you don't know my plan already. I don't know how I want to do, but I shall do one. I just my fellow Nigerians, so they never know how they want to do their own like me. I'll just pray for you. You get 2 prayer points. First, pray. May you not sick. May your case not pass malaria and typhoid. When you not go need hospital.
You don't need better.
Better. Then secondly, even though say you can't fall sick, pray may Baba God give you money. May if you afford better hospital, you get because now the 2 prayer points right now. Because if I want to tell you, say no worry, our health to go day better. If you go there, you go. I'm not they try to discredit them. They don't save some people. Yeah, you still get some few ones until they try. But seriously speaking, right now, generally, not be waiting to really write. Not be waiting to write to me.
No, you know,
because on a Saturday, why doctors don't go?
And not be nice. You don't be like you don't do so bad for a very long time. That is why you go find out say doctors will always go on strike. Always go on strike because the things never normalize. And not be just health sector, even education. That's why lecturers they go strike every time because the government really no care. The most important things for this country, the education of the youths and the medical facility go take care of the masses. They no really care.
They no care. I remember my very first surgery. Then go use anesthesia where they try out.
They try you out. They turn you to guinea pig.
I'm telling you, they just as them will me come out from theater, enter inside recovery. You know to tell where them will me come out. Now I enter shock. My mama come confused. Say, waiting they come. She like they cold, like they sweat. She just the wonder say waiting happen. Say I enter into shock. Now they come tell and say and then try out one new anesthesia on me.
For your body, and they never ask for your permission.
They no
now,
talk.
What you now do after that? Nothing. This is what I they talk this morning. The reason why evil deeds still they go on right now because there is no consequence on top person action, especially when the action are negative. Person go do something, you go say I beg forget her. Yeah. You go leave her. So another person go get the mind to do am. Anyway, more leave that one. Sharp. I don't know if you don't hear the new update on top those students. When they don't keep two extra again. That's 5 done there. 5 because governor of Kaduna Nasir Rufai saying not to negotiate with bandits. So bandits now they threaten. I don't know how many people they want kidnappers now.
No, they don't even go kidnap some students again.
They don't kidnap some more again. Yeah. In between all those ones they happen right now. Gumi just yarn again. I don't know whether I call him bandit spokesman or spokesperson.
No, bandit spokesman.
He said the increased kidnapping, killing for Kaduna, is caused by bandit bombardment. According to the report, he said the kidnapping in Kaduna State and other parts of the country have attracted different reactions from prominent Nigeria. And one of those persons is Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, who actually attributes this increase of kidnapping for the state to the bombardment of the camps of the bandits. That means.
So who bombarded their camp?
Who? Not be your security forces. I
so
believe certainly.
So the security forces to bombard them, but
so they converse. They kidnap more.
That means that the security when they bombard them never bombard them when. If you bombard them, anybody no remain to come kidnap now. You understand?
But anyway, your advice now say in the advise federal government to set up a committee to open a dialogue with those ready to embrace, that's those bandits ready to embrace peace, adding that it was the only way to resolve the crisis in the state.
You know, saying talk, say the bandits maybe say in talk to that time until they don't repent. Say so now another set of bandits they do all this.
Oh, now said by NYC batch.
So when you can't negotiate with this batch B now, then drop a then batch C go come forward. You understand? The only reason why all this nonsense they happen is because the government behave like say that they use crutches worker. Our government they on crutches. You understand?
But they not be our
government
not be like that for not be this boy this IPOB commander the key.
Now they tell you so.
Because you go do that
for that side, the government they handicapped for that side. They like physically challenged.
Okay,
for you understand. For other parts, they don't they physically challenged. You understand? Now the team be that now.
You got another thing maybe say share Gumi talk. In turn talk say Nigerians go regret him if Patami is removed.
Nigerians go regret him.
Yes. Make a talk the way talker.
You know, I don't wonder why they never really talk anything. But now I see, it's clear.
He say, okay, make a talk. He say, renowned Islamic scholar Sheikh Ahmad Gumi said Nigeria will regret it if embattled Minister of Communication and Digital Economy Issa Petami is removed from office. Gumi, who recently met with the former President Olusegun Obasanjo and recommended special courts to try bandits and kidnappers. Also said the country needed more people like Patami in government.
Wetin Patami dey do for government wey the country need am for?
The controversial cleric man spoke on Monday for one interview with Root TV monitored by The Punch. He talk say all his action, like I'm talking about Patami's action now, 100% shows he's not a terrorist. Those who are terrorists are after his life. The minister also continues say in presence there na to fight terrorist ideology. He can say show me one person he has killed. He has not killed anybody. He has not ordered the killing of anybody. The man is stabilizing a government among a section of youth which we want them to come and join in nation building. They should not throw him away. Leave him. He is not a terrorist sympathizer. And you people are fighting them. No, you should get more people like Patami and put him in power. It will stabilize. Don't remove it or else you will regret.
I no blame am now. Na people wey na the kind government wey we get. Na make people like this dey open mouth talk all this rubbish wey they talk so. Because as far as I'm concerned, na rubbish Gumi dey talk. Nobody there above the law. Nobody get monopoly of knowledge. No matter who they appoint, government can remove anybody they want. Why you go talk say the country if they remove one man, then you go regret am? Who you be where you go say the country go regret to remove one person? I don't understand. So who him be na savior?
Wait, they be friends?
Na savior of the country. This man he say no kill anybody. Okay, he no kill anybody. But in the past, when he be Islamic cleric, when he the head of one of those schools were not there. Shebi that say na him instigate people wey kill somebody. The report say there. Shebi wetin Garba Shehu dey defend say the things wey he talk in the past. Now when he dey in the 20s,
he don't repent.
Say
he dey young.
Now only Nigeria person go come and say I don't repent to wetin I do. He call old political position.
Now why I say
only
go
this
back to
country
the fact
because no standard for anything. In fact, you know, my own be say every time when you say the government don't dey low, they reduce the bar lower.
God, you need Panadol. I get extra.
No need. Nigeria problem not even worth talking about
need,
again.
You need that, be.
Now every time when you say the bar don't low, reach the lowest point, they go look for a way to reduce am more. Nobody, no matter who you be, no matter the position where they owe, they indispensable way the country no fit do without. If they tell us say if the country then so if president go remove am now, wetin go happen?
We need more of am. You know, yeah, we need more.
We need more of the man. You know, say the man, the ministry they do training recently when they say the website and the TV station where you use. Now Islamic TV station you go, you know use NTA, you know use channels, you know use any government whatever general one. He go use Islamic TV station do am. Now part of the truth they tell accuser and say he never really change in views and all that. The point be say all these things they happen because the leader who we get at the top, he no send.
But sometimes they wonder, you saw they feel in with president on top of the happen for the country.
They need to feel. I mean,
they feel say like say
you know the president they busy with a lot of things.
You know how much be newspaper allowance budget for president every year.
If he be say they know they deliver the newspaper to them.
I don't understand.
I just
are you trying to be sarcastic?
So all those pictures all those president pictures they show us say sit down they watch channel TV. What's in they watch? In they watch TV.
No, they that one. You know say they want video. So you go pretend.
Okay, nobody they tell her he no get children. In children they see their papa. So they tell her say that they so sit down for the country. I don't understand. Nobody fit tell me say I know
a wife for.
I know one year. The wife don't talk tire. The wife don't talk tire. She don't come out for the country. Leave us.
He don't come out again. He come back now. He come back on launch book.
What she launch the book? You know how long she stay away?
I know. I'm over 6 or 8 months.
We don't know say she don't go back. Well, we know say she can't.
When the first lady tell and say the Garba show where they work for her, na traitor to the family. Say make you no work on her. Baba Saka.
Now when you just make measure of Garba show right now, Femi Adesina, Garba show, Loretta and the rest. All those things when they talk sometimes. Show the president they are aware of her. He know.
Who do they work for?
No, that. Nah, I'm president.
Okay, but I was gonna say president.
You know, say like I feel be your personal assistant.
Then
you get
no,
statement. You're not there aware.
When we even say president, no. Who they control of them? Now the chief of staff. He no.
I try find
all of them, they need report. They need even report directly to president. Now chief of staff they tell them what to talk or what. No, they don't want any press man or any media person to make any statement where chief of staff never give go ahead. You go lose your job. So the chief of staff no. What would they talk?
Who be the chief of staff again?
Godwin, welcome.
One professor like that.
Godwin, welcome. Lady J, welcome. Wait till now.
Nigeria matter don't tire person.
We get Naija original. We go touch.
That the original Nigeria we still they talk.
Of course, Naija original. We go the touchlight to artists today. We get Ask the Professional. Kentucky go there on ground for in top 20 countdown, hopefully. Because in himself they under the weather. So hopefully in go show up today. But so far so good now package for today.
Okay.
Who they on that? When you meet somebody they under the weather? I
DJ
mean, they
Kentucky,
sick.
that yes.
Okay.
But you don't like
Under
almost
the-
3 weeks now. Waiting they solve now.
my if to say I not quick go wrong goes private hospital, maybe I for they do 1 month or so. God forbid.
But
that.
and then my prayer too, because I don't want to make you do 1 month because this my Sunday, my weekend don't go complete.
Yeah, okay. Get out. I bet we'll join now tomorrow from 6 a.m.
Hey,
to
guys.
level to call shot again. Sorry, to call will again. On top waiting down for the country Nigeria. My name is remember the Bob MC Aron B. Jam me on top Instagram
They
at
don't go
Aron
jam
B.
you in Jesus' name. They go follow
They
you.
get, no, okay, follow me on top Instagram at RNB_. Ayo, that's RNB_AY. One love to now.
All right, so my own name too still remain Becca Please. Don't forget say the Instagram and Twitter handle too. Now at Becca Please, BECCABLISSE. Ice print featuring Oxlade Kolo. Now you want you sign out. We don't vamos.
Naija FM 102.7.